HowExpert Guide to Art and Design, the ultimate handbook for mastering artistic skills, exploring creative expression, and building a successful art career by HowExpert. If you're passionate about art and design and ready to unlock your creative potential, HowExpert Guide to Art and Design is your ultimate resource. Whether you're just beginning or seeking to elevate your skills, this comprehensive guide delivers expert insights, actionable tips, and step-by-step instructions to master artistic techniques, express your creativity, and build a thriving career in art and design. Introduction. Discover the world of art and design, its cultural importance, and how this book will guide your creative journey. Chapter 1. The History of Art and Design. Uncover the evolution of art, from ancient civilizations to modern movements, and how history shapes today's creative landscape. Chapter 2. Principles of Art and Design. Learn essential elements like line, color, and texture, and apply design principles like balance and contrast to craft visually impactful work. Chapter 3. Understanding different art forms. Explore visual arts, painting, sculpture, photography, performing arts, theater, music, dance, literary arts, and digital arts. Chapter 4. Drawing and painting techniques. Build skills in sketching, shading, and perspective, and advance your expertise in watercolor, oil, and mixed media techniques. Chapter 5. Design techniques for beginners and professionals. Master graphic design fundamentals, industry-leading software, and techniques for print and digital platforms. Chapter 6. Photography and visual storytelling. Capture compelling images with techniques in composition, lighting, and editing using tools like Photoshop and Lightroom. Chapter 7. Fashion design. Create clothing designs from concept to completion, exploring fabrics, patterns, and sustainable fashion trends. Chapter 8. Interior design. Design functional, inspiring spaces using principles of color, lighting, and sustainability for residential and commercial projects. Chapter 9. Architecture and environmental design. Combine form, function, and sustainability to create innovative architectural and urban designs. Chapter 10. Digital and interactive design. Develop expertise in UX/UI, motion graphics, and emerging fields like virtual and augmented reality. Chapter 11. Portfolio development. Build a standout portfolio, showcase your work effectively, and create an online presence to attract opportunities. Chapter 12. Freelancing and running a design business. Gain essential strategies for pricing, client management, and marketing to grow your freelance career or business. Chapter 13. Pursuing formal education in art and design. Navigate options like art schools, scholarships, certifications, and internships to enhance your skills. Chapter 14. Career opportunities in art and design. Explore diverse career paths, from fine art and illustration to art therapy, advertising, and emerging creative fields. Chapter 15. The global art and design community. Connect with art communities worldwide, participate in events, and celebrate diversity and creative expression. Conclusion. Reflect on your growth, stay inspired, and take the next steps toward mastering your craft and building a fulfilling career. Appendices. Access a glossary, recommended resources, FAQs, and a curated list of top art schools and major art events. Whether you're an aspiring artist, a seasoned designer, or someone who simply loves to create, HowExpert Guide to Art and Design provides the tools, insights, and inspiration to thrive in today's dynamic art world. Empower your creativity, unlock your potential, and take the next step in mastering your craft. Get your copy today. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.